everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ceeceemua. I'm gonna be trying out the Revolution times Emily. Basically I'm gonna be trying out this palette, and I want to see if it's any good. It's not exactly a first impression because I've used it before, but this is my very first time of trying it on camera. So if you want to see how this palette performs, please stay tuned. Anyways, let's get down to business. Now it's time for us to know if this palette is any good. Oh Lord, take a look at that. Just take a look at that. Just take a look at that. Oh, it's glorious, isn't it? It's glorious. Oh, all right. I'm gonna start with Midwest. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Oh my goodness. I'm sure it's pigmented. I'm sure, but I can't see anything. I really can't see anything. Like literally, if the mirror is not all the way in my eyes, I literally can't see nothing. This is why I prefer to wear contacts. But as at this point, I'm not wearing any, so I can't see. But it is showing up. It's showing up. Okay, no, I think I'm gonna use my own mirror because that one is just long. Okay. Oh, there you go. I can see now. Oh wow, that shade is a beautiful. That shade is a beautiful transition shade. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use another brush. I don't even know. I'm using. It's one of these MSQ brushes. They are very good. So, okay. I will use Love Tones. I'm gonna put that in my crease. By the way, my eyes are hooded, so whenever I push in my shades or whatever, they never show up. As soon as I look up, they never ever show up. So obviously I've learned some tips and tricks to help me with that. So that's why usually when I'm putting my what's it called, my darker shades, I always put them slightly above my crease because I do not have a crease. Okay. Oof. That shade Love Tones is very pigmented. I literally dipped my brush in it once and that was it. Are you seeing this? Or is it just me? Are you seeing this? Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. I need to diffuse this a bit. I'm using the Morphe E23 brush. I'm using the Morphe E23 brush. Okay. I'm gonna go back into. Okay. I'm trying to use as much shades as I can. So I'm going to use Dew Spade. Dew Spade, man. Okay. I want to use that to diffuse the other one so that it's not too much. Yeah. beautiful. That's it. This is beautiful. Okay. All right. Okay. Going to family. Oh, I did not want to do another purple look. I did not want to do another purple look, but it's cool in my name. It's cool in my name. It's cool in my name. Okay. This is the shade Family. Okay. I thought it wasn't showing up for 1 minute there. Oh, it is showing up. Oh wow, okay, yeah. Yep. It is showing up. Oh yeah, one dip. I actually forgot that I swatched, and now I use the same finger on my face. Imagine that. Alright. Okay. With this palette, I feel like some of the shades are very pigmented, like the Love Tones one, that was pigmented. The Family is pigmented, but for some reason there is some sort of inconsistency. Like when I'm putting it in the what do they call it, in the inner corner of my eyes, it's not showing up as much as when I put it on the outer corner. So I don't know if that's my eyes or if that's the shade, you know. But let's keep going and see. Or maybe it's the brush I'm using. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Time for me to cut my crease. See, I know everybody loves to use concealer to cut their crease, right? But like I said, I've got very hooded eyes, right? And they're quite oily. So when I use concealer, for some reason, by the end of the day, it gets oily. So I find that when I use this Jordana eyeshadow primer, whenever I use it to cut my crease, nope, I do not have that same problem. So yeah, it does last as long as I want it to last, you know. So I'm gonna use that to cut my crease right now. Alright. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna use the shade Pizzazz. It's sort of purple, but not so much purple. Okay. If I need something extra, I'll use Eva Rose on it or Eve Rose on it. But for now, let's use Pizzazz. Pizzazz. I kind of like that. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe I should use that bit. Oh, I don't know. Well, when I watched Emily Noel's video, she did say that the shimmer shade, you should swipe it on it, not tap it. So, which is what I did, because I find that when I tap it, it doesn't do much. But when you swipe it, then you can definitely see the literally see the shadow showing up. Okay, right, now let's clean this up. I'm thinking I'm gonna go into the shade family again, and I'm gonna use that to diffuse the two shades together. Right. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna get my eyes on, put my lashes on and everything. Then I'm gonna come back and give you my final thoughts. Well, I'm back. Okay, I need to give you my final thoughts on this palette. You know what? I love this palette. I love this color selection. I love everything about it. I love the fact that it shows up, because that's the most. You know what? That is what is to be expected in a palette. I know this is a drugstore palette, and come on, this is only £15, right? But when it comes to Makeup Revolution and Revolution Beauty, is to be expected. But I love the fact that she collaborated with them and she had a nice color selection that actually works for every skin tone. That is the most important thing. And I love the fact that this works for me. This works for my skin tone. I know, and I'm not even the darkest. You can see that it showed up. It actually did what it's supposed to do. As in, okay, although with some of the matte shades, like, I see that there are some sort of inconsistency, but it doesn't mean it's not going to show up, right? Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Try this. You see the shade family is breaking up a bit, and the shade corduroy is breaking up a bit. I don't know why. And when I was putting that on my crease as well, it was a bit patchy. But the shimmer shade is beautiful. The other shades are beautiful. I love this palette. I'm pretty much obsessed with this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna continue using this. I love the look. I love the way everything looks, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now for the slow-mo.